Bye, have a great time.
Oh, bye.
Wow.
What the
And there's a
fuck?
pedestrian there too. Yeet.
Wow.
Or contact your travel agent. We all know everything is more expensive right
Whoa.
now, but we want a high quality
The
of life
flip
to
is going on
renovate
here?
and educate our kids. And it's a great time to have more flexibility. Capital Direct allows you to do that. Right now, it's
He just cut right over into everybody? Yo, he just cut off the other truck over there.
1.8 million. Call Capital
That guy does not give a
New Capital.
What I want to do with you someday in the future is go to
You're in the intersection, buddy.
go to
Like-
the lapidary. Where the,
Coming up to the Pella Bridge, there's some light delays to watch out for there. Eastbound Fort Man Bridge is clearing off. There's still the light delays coming to the courtroom.
Jeez.
The van?
Yeah, just cut this guy off, double turn over solid lines. Gotta get that gas, I guess. Oh, come on, dude. Signal at the last second, you just effed me in the A.
Yeah, chump.
What's this guy doing?
Yeah.
Is he turning left? What's going on here?
No, he's on his phone.
Oh, don't worry.
Get off.
I already know you guys haven't.
Like-
He was trying to let that person
Oh,
turn.
dude, why would you do that?
And that person wouldn't turn because she couldn't see
No, 'cause-
oncoming traffic in the other lane.
Yeah, don't give up your right of way. Dumbass.
An additional $40 million will be
Who
going
is
into
this
Legal
guy?
Aid Alberta. The problem
Wow.
is
Matt
$65
McSqueen.
million to Crown
Yeah,
Property
yeah, he
here.
knows.
Alberta Justice
Get
Minister
out of
Tyler
my
Shandro
swamp,
says this could make
Get out of my swamp, she says. No, we can't. Are you f***ing kidding me, brother?
The crosswalk's right there.
So close, and
He's
it's counting down. Like, and the button was pressed. So,
He gives no F's.
none. But I actually think the river goes out to the
Who's
ocean.
dog on him?
I know.
What?
The river would just get some bolt cutters and you lift it.
Dude, stay on your side of the road, please.
Yeah.
Jeez. I don't want your death on my hands, bro. Stop here, dude. Whoa.
That was a really
Yikes.
wide turn.
I think it's trying to get out of the way of the oncoming car. Yeesh.
When it comes to health and safety, start today at WorkSafeBC.com. A message for WorkSafe.
Oh yeah, buddy? Well, he doesn't even know. Have a nice day, pal. Dude's oblivious. What the hell did you just do, buddy? Why would you pull out like that? Yo, really, dude? Okay. Okay, fine.
To Richmond heading north, it's delayed past 17A. On the
You're in a
Queens Road,
Jeep
we
and
are
you're
seeing that
missing
volume
a
at the
speed
back
bump,
of
buddy?
Past Boyd there a little bit.
Something wrong with the shocks there, brother.
Directions heading south from Vancouver to Richmond.
And you fail.
Promo code GMT event. It's our way to share too. For details, go to
Oh.
Just kidding.
Oh, shit. What? My bad. I got taken, man. I think I'll post that.
Daddy tried to park in a parking spot that didn't exist.
Alright, those are all the clips I have for you today. What did you think of some of the drivers out there? Timestamp it in the comments section below. I'd love to see what you think. And if you want to know whenever we're on the road again with a new video here on the channel, go ahead and beep the subscribe button. Now drive safe out there, and I'll see you down the road.